What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. For a period of time, I kept saying my hair was not growing. I was trying so many different things that I have tried everything almost. From aloe vera wash day to rice water to moringa rice water. Man, I have probably tried it. And it's until I realized this one important thing why my hair was not growing or what caused my hair to grow. That's when I started to see a real difference. And that realization is consistency. If you're not consistent with something, there's no way you could really see the real results. When I started being consistent with the products that I was trying out at a time, that's when I started to see hair growth. For instance, I have done rice water consistently for months. And that's when my hair grew from the TWA stage to almost where it is right now. That was the most that my hair had grown in years. And the only reason for that is because of consistency. A lot of people in the comments would be asking and saying like, hey, I use rice water, it didn't work. And I'm like, how long did you use it? Well, I just tried it last week and I applied it in my hair for a week and it didn't work. That's not real consistency, right? So you can't try something today and expect it to work tomorrow, right? So especially when it comes to like hair growth, you have to be consistent with anything to see the real results. If you're gonna try products to moisturize your hair, you want to use those products for more than 21 days to actually see some real results. If you haven't tried a product for more than 21 days or 30 days, if you haven't tried it long enough, you can't really say that it doesn't work or it does work. You can't really say that, right? Because you haven't tried it long enough. So on my channel, I have several hair growth remedies. Good morning. That I have been consistent with. And this is the longest I have ever grown my hair. And it's because of my consistency with my routine. It's because of my consistency with my hair growth treatment. It's because of my consistency with all the things that I put in my hair. I've decided that I'm going to start back some of my hair growth items that I used to use, and I felt that my hair got to the length that I really wanted it to get. So I'm like, I don't need to really use the products like that anymore. But I just wanted to test out some of these products and see if I could push my hair beyond its comfort zone, just for experimental purposes. So stay tuned for those videos. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys stopping by my channel. Remember, there's a new video every Sundays, and throughout the week I share little clips of my life, whether it's hair, whether it's my cats, whether it's me trying out new places. I share those throughout the week. So please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and let me know in the comments your challenges with your hair. Are you having challenges with hair growth, or are you having challenges with moisture? What are some of your hair challenges? Let me know down in the comments below. See ya.